If you think your vertigo or occasional dizziness is just an inconvenience, you are dead wrong. 1. It is the most frequent complaint doctors receive. 2. It is a clear indicator that you are at high risk of stroke you could experience any moment. 3. It is the #1 cause of broken bones and head injuries in people over 55. 4. It leads to deadly head fractures due to internal bleeding and brain injuries. The traditional medical system has no solution. They do not even know what causes it in most cases. But natural researchers have successfully found a solution to all types of vertigo and dizziness. The cure is a set of simple head exercises. 1. They are completely natural and require no medications or surgery. 2. The results are permanent and once you are cured, you do not have to use them again. 3. They work for almost everyone. 4. They are easy and almost anyone can benefit from them, no matter what kind of shape you are in. 5. They only take 3 to 15 minutes per day. 6. They work fast and many people experience immediate relief. Today I am going to teach you these easy vertigo and dizziness exercises. Check link in video description to start using these easy vertigo and dizziness exercises. The program helped everyone who gave it a good try. You can be 100% free from vertigo and dizziness 15 minutes from now. Walk around without losing balance or feeling dizzy by checking the link in video description. Say goodbye to your vertigo and dizziness by visiting the link in video description. To your best